think this is Laurel Hill Cemetery. It's right in the housing area. I had to park across the street on the grass. I hope I don't get a ticket. And looks like there might be a road here, but I don't know if you can drive up here or not. Some logs and different things here, and there's some graves back in there. There's a sign there that says private property over there, but that's on that side. But there's 1868 to 1929, 1878 to 1952. Not much left there. And this is supposed to be, I think, the cemetery that was used for the town of Amatol. Some markers here. Here's one. I don't know what happened here. Toppled over. If somebody did this or not, but it looks like a nice one. David Laycock, born 1824, died 1871. And Mary was born in 1832 and died in 1899. This is a very nice one here, but looks like somebody toppled it over here. There's a flag here, which it's broken off, and I'm gonna put this back up here. So we got a flag going there, but looks like a lot of them have been toppled over. That one's facing that way. These are facing this way. Johnson. Here's some really old ones here. 1876, 1897. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. And broken off. This one here. 1858, 1939, 1938. Trust in the Lord. And this one's facing this way. 1838. 1892, and it kind of goes back here too, and these look like some other ones. Now these are still old ones here too, still in the 1800s. A doctor, MD, wife of Mr. Smith, MD, and wife of Reverend Morgan. And back in the 1800s, son of the doctor right here, and this is the wife of Taylor Smith, and some more back here too. There's an old one here. I'm gonna watch my car. This one is John Burroff, 95th Regiment, Pennsylvania Volunteers. Died May 31st, 1997, age 63. Could that be in 1897? Sure looks like a very old stone there. So, it looks like some animal has been here. Probably a deer rubbing up against the tree. And this one, all these are knocked over here. I don't know why. This one is Soy, Benjamin Franklin Soy, wife. And then we go up here. There's still a lot more here. This is nice. Mary Burnell. Here's a bigger monument here. I don't know what that is. Cars are going by over there. We have somebody's left some flowers here for Mom. And I'll put the flag back up here. There we go. These are recent ones, 2011, 1916. Another one knocked over backwards, you can't read it. So, he died 1960. And got some more. A lot of graves here. It's not. See this one here. In memory of Reverend Eliphalet, Whittlesey, September, I don't know, 1839. I can't read the rest of it. It's too much worn down. Age 70 some years, and a lot of writing here that I can't read. But at least nobody toppled it over. And these are recent ones here, 1965. And another old one here. Looks like half of one. Oh, maybe Ruth Brown. Maybe not. Oh, this is the Brown family here. 1879. That was in 1908. A lot of Browns here. And we got this one over here. Henry Arnold, New Jersey. U.S. Guards, World War I. At least they got a flag up for the guy. He's got the flags flying there. That's good. This one here got a lot of lichens growing on there. Yes, the Smith family got a big one here. And there's actually another one. I thought that was something buried over there, but those are people's property, which I don't want to walk on. So, okay, here's one up here. Looks like a stone log here. This is kind of unusual here. They got a stone, and it says Biddle, Eva, 1905, 1981, and Walter K, 1904 and 1961. Never seen a grave marker in the shape of a log. Maybe it had something to do with lumber or logging or like trees. Here's another one here, an unusual one. George Biddle, 1937. He's still living. Nice old chunk, like a freestanding one. And Pierce, born 1849, died 1899, age 50 years, 2 months. Asleep in Jesus, blessed sleep. And C.H. Pierce, 1851, 1924. And it's the Pierce family. We got a nice marker there. And here's a couple more small ones down here for the Pierce. And more Pierces. And we got a big one. I got to watch my head with this tree here. And this one is Norman Phillips, 1819 to 1903, and Margaret, his wife. Phillips must have been an important guy. Maybe he worked over there in Amatol, MP. Margaret Phillips, NP, Norman Phillips. And looks like I got another veteran here. Pay my respects. Brown, 1841, 1912, and his wife. He's got a flag here. And he's got a GAR. I forget what that stands for. Something American Revolution there. Here's an old one here. Boy, I can't even make this one out. Can't read what it says there, but it is old. Can't even read the dates on it. Very old there. All right. And more toppled over. This one's got a big tree growing out here. Why are all these toppled over? Did somebody come in here and do this? It can't be the wind. William Ham and Mary A., wife of William Ham. He died 1876. His wife lived a lot longer. She died in 1912. So, and they got the other markers, got the flag here. And the Ebel family, John Ebel. Another super old one here. Boy, I can't even read anything on that. I might take some pictures of these with my camera. R. Johnny, 1890, looks like to 1896, or 1880 to 1896. It was R. Johnny. He must have been a child then. I'm thinking 1890 to 1896. Maybe he was 6 years old. I don't know. But and then we're coming back down here. That's the entrance. Or I walked up, you can hear the cars going by. More really old ones here. Moses, can't make out that. Mary J. Moses something, 1880s, died in like the early 1900s. These are some old ones here. Why are all these knocked down here? I can't believe this here. All these things are knocked down. Somebody come in here. This one here, can't even make it out. This one here is an old one here. Can't see it. Something, looks like 1800s. Boy, cemetery isn't kept very well, that's for sure. So there it is. Did the walk through here. Highway's right here. There's really no place to park here. I guess you could drive up here. I probably could if I wanted to, but I don't know. I don't want to disturb anything and whatnot here. David Laycock, Company E, the 38th New Jersey Infantry. Didn't say when he died or when he lived, but there it is. So we did a little walk around here. We'll take some pictures here too. Okay. Today is, I think, December 30th. Well, we had a little walk around here. There's some other ones hidden underneath the trees there. See one down in there. There's something. Let's go up, take a look at that while I'm here. Who knows when I'm going to get back here. A lot of marks in the ground, like deer. I'm sure these are deer tracks here. This one says U.S. I can't make out what it says in there, but it's something kind of buried in there. I guess the families are long gone, or he didn't have a family. Who knows here? All right. Well, made a little visit here. Here. It's a shame that all these are toppled over, and some of them you can't read anymore. I just wonder if there was any record here, but I'll look up online, see if I can put some information in with this video. But coming back out, like I said, no place to park here. It's private property over there, and my car is across the street. Luckily it hasn't been hit yet. They do have some flags out here, which I'll show you in a minute, so you can see the road down here where it is. And there's a lot of housing around here. And like I said, there's a house over there, and we got the highway here, and you can see the flags up along here. So we're going to cross over, and at least they put some flags out here so you know there's a cemetery there.